Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's continue our lecture on the list. This is the part 3, copy and clone of the list. So what's the difference between copy and clone on the list? We will see. When we set one variable b equal to a, both a and b are referring the same list in the memory. A is equals to this list, hard rock 10 1.2, b is equal to a. It means that whatever the a is, b is pointing towards a. So print a, print b, so we will get this thing, print a and b. So actually what's happening behind, so we have like two lists a and b, two variables, and both are referring to the same list. Now my question is that what will happen if I change the element of the original list? So it will change the b or not? So let's see. Initially the value of first element b is set as a hard rock. If we change the first element a to banana, we get an unexpected side effect. As a and b are referring the same list, if we change list a, then the list b also changes. If we check the first element of b, we get banana instead of the hard rock. See, print b0 b0 a0, now we have changed to banana. Now print b0 b0, so it will also be changed to banana. See, because if I say print, or if I copy and paste this thing, print this thing, and instead of b I say capital A, and here I say capital A. See, now it says banana. Because why it's banana? Because the original list has been changed previously here. Let's say again. Now original list A is, or B is also hard rock. So let's see what happens now. See, hard rock, originally it's copying from hard rock, and now it's copying from A, which is banana. Now A is changed to banana. This is demonstrated as follows. For example, if I have B0 is hard rock, so B A is here. For example, if I have like hard rock 10 1.2 and B is exactly copying A, so if I change hard rock to banana, B will also be changed to banana. What happened right here? So let's see, print A, it will print me the list A, and print B, so the same list. You can clone list A by using the following systems. Now you can clone as well. What is the difference? Clone the list A. For example, B is equals to A, and within list A all the elements. It means that you are actually copying all the elements into the B, and B is itself a new list. It's not dependent on A, it's independent of A. So what will happen if you say B0, and now A is equals to A0 is hard rock, what is B0? So initially you have now changed A0 to the hard rock, but still B is not changed. For example, if I say print A, and if I say print B, so you see A is hard rock 10 1.0, B is banana 10 1.2. So what happened, that I have copied all the elements of A, but both the lists are independent. It has created two lists instead of one. So I hope that you have got the difference between the copy and clone. Now we have a quiz on the list. So create a list with the following elements: 1 hello, 1 2 3 and true. So now I have created the list. A list is equals to this: 1 hello is a string, 1 2 3 is a list, and true is the bool. So like this. So now find the value stored at index 1 of list. So if I say index 1, which is hello, because here you see that 0 is 1 and 1 is hello, 2 is 1 2 3 and true is 4. So if I say like 2, it will give me 1 2 3, and if I say 1, it's giving me hello. Retrieve the element stored at index 1 2 and 3 of A list. So A list 1 to 4, so index 1 2 and 3, so it starts from 1 and 3, so I need to like index it from 1 to 4. 4 will not be included. So A list 1 to 4, I get this thing. concatenate the list A, 1A and B is equals to 2, 1 and D. So A is equals to 1A, B is equals to 2, 1 and D. C is equals to A plus B, so C is equals to this thing 1A, 2, 1, D. It has concatenated or added two lists together. And that's it. That's for today's lecture. I hope you enjoyed the lists, and lists are very powerful and very useful, especially when it comes the loops and higher programming concepts. So practice the list as much as you can, and hopefully we will see you in the next lecture, which is based on the dictionaries, which is module 2. So let's see, I go through the module 2. In module 3 you have list and tuples. We have completed this. Now the next lab will be on sets and dictionaries as well. So this was basically module 2, and once the module 2 is completed, we will go towards module 3, where we have like loops, for loops and while loops and objects and classes concepts. Then working with Python is module 4, working with the data. It's like higher concept, and working with NumPy arrays, which is another, like NumPy is a very strong library of the Python which we will be using. And then we will be summarizing the course. Thank you. I hope that you like the lectures, and if there is any question, I will be coming for the live one-to-one session, so I will answer all the questions of yours. Thank you. See you.